First select this forest image, then stretch this image in full canvas. Add new page. Change background color to black. Go to text and add text box and type the text. Go to font and select a font zoom rough bold. Increase text size. Go to Elements and type trees. Go to Graphics. Select this one. Place it at bottom of text like me. Download this image as PNG. Go to BG Remover and remove background. Copy image and paste your design. Go to Edit, click on Auto Adjust. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe my channel for more this type of amazing tutorial. Thank you for watching.